This is just story time though. So yesterday I went and I had dinner with my best friend, and she went in to go grab us to-go boxes, and this guy who ordered to go decided he was gonna stick around. He waited until my best friend went inside and left me alone to come up to our table and to talk to me. So I'm a nice person. I don't, just disregard him. But then he proceeds to ask if he can sit down. And I told him, no, you cannot sit down. And he was like, well, okay, I won't sit down. But then he tried to ask me, like, could he have my number? Could he talk to me? And I told him, I don't mean to be rude, but you can't sit down because of coronavirus. I don't know you. And you're not 6 feet from me, so I need you to keep your distance. And then I told him that I wasn't interested and that I wasn't in a position to talk to a man at the time. And he asked me why. And I told him I don't feel like I need to give him a reason why. Just accept no, move on with your life. But he felt like he needed an explanation and then proceeded to continue to force conversation. Waits till my friend comes out and then tries to have a conversation with her. So my issue is that I hate when guys just don't accept no for an answer. If I don't want to talk to you, if my body language explains that I don't want to talk to you, I'm not interested, and then I verbally tell you no, then just say have a nice day and move on with your life. Don't try to sit there and force me to get your number or whatever your goal is. It's just annoying. So I hate it when guys just don't accept no for an answer. I mean, I don't feel any type of way. I'm not a person I feel like I'm above anything, I'm just that person. I'll have a conversation with you. I'll entertain you as much as I feel like it's necessary. But if your goal is to get my number or to walk away with something that had to do with me, a social media follow, whatever, if I say no, then that's just no. I don't feel like I need to give an explanation as to why or sit there and elaborate. Just take it for what it is at face value and move on. He actually asked me to give him an explanation. He was like, well, why aren't you in the position to talk to me right now? Why? I like to know why. And I was like, I don't feel like I need to give you an answer. Just take no for no. It's not that he approached me wrong. I just watched him. You know what I mean? He didn't leave the situation alone. I feel like he liked what he saw and he waited for an opportunity. But then when he got the opportunity and he could see that I was uncomfortable, it didn't make him say okay, it was nice meeting you. Move on with your day or whatever. He continued to try to probe me, and that's the thing that I have an issue with. If you can see that I'm uncomfortable and you can see that I'm not interested, don't try to sit there and force or prolong a conversation. Just move on with your life. And it's not to I'm single, I'm not in a relationship, but at this place in my life I'm not really interested in dating or anything, and you never know what someone's going through. So if someone politely declines, don't try to sit there and linger around and stay. And that's what that man did. He just lingered, and I just felt like that was rude. You could tell, you could sense, you could see, you can perceive that I wasn't interested. So why continue to try? He waited until my best friend came out of the restaurant and then asked her what her name was and started asking her probing questions, and then he finally could see okay, they both are get the fuck, so let me just leave.